Have you ever felt drawn to a particular color without knowing why? According to Buddhist teachings, colors are not only aesthetically pleasing, they carry unique vibrations that interact with our minds, helping to manifest different energies into our lives. In Buddhism, each color has a deep symbolic meaning and can be used intentionally to align our intentions with the energy of the universe. Want to attract love, wealth, or inner peace? Stay with us to learn how the power of color can transform your life. You'll discover which colors align with your goals and how to use them effectively to manifest exactly what you desire. Welcome to Buddhism on Life. Here we explore ancient Buddhist teachings and how they can empower modern lives. If this journey resonates with you, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and join our community dedicated to spiritual growth, manifestation, and mindfulness. We cover many topics, from mindfulness practices to transformative Buddhist insights, so be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Also, take a moment to add some positivity to your life by typing this powerful mantra in the comments. Am ready and willing to accept miracles in my life. This small affirmation opens you to positive energy and helps manifest blessings in ways you may not expect. Let's embrace these teachings together, one step at a time. In Buddhism, colors are more than aesthetic choices, they are vibrations that hold profound meaning. Each color connects to a unique energy that can assist in aligning with personal goals, intentions, and manifestations. The teaching that colors influence mindsets, emotions, and spiritual states goes back centuries in Buddhism. From the vibrant saffron robes of monks symbolizing humility to the serene greens and blues that invite peace in nature, colors have always played a role in connecting practitioners with deeper spiritual truths and material aspirations. Let's dive into each color, exploring its Buddhist symbolism, practical applications for manifestation, and specific exercises to incorporate these colors into your life. 1. Green, the color of prosperity, healing, and growth. Buddhist symbolism. In Buddhist tradition, green is closely associated with nature, growth, and balance. It symbolizes renewal, freshness, and life itself. In the context of manifestation, green is said to resonate with abundance, prosperity, and physical healing. The color is also associated with Buddha Amagasiddhi, one of the 5 Dhyani Buddhas, representing fearlessness and accomplishment. Manifestation focus with green. Green can help you grow in areas that matter most to you, whether it's financial prosperity, personal healing, or emotional resilience. Use green to cultivate patience, compassion, and a sense of calm. If you're looking to attract wealth or recover from past challenges, consider surrounding yourself with green energy. Practical applications. Home decor. Place green plants in your home, especially in your workspace or near your living areas. Plants are naturally vibrant and connect you to earth energy, helping bring a sense of prosperity and vitality into your daily life. Clothing choices. Wear green clothing or accessories on days when you feel like you need growth or are working towards financial goals. The subtle influence of color can keep you mindful of your intentions throughout the day. Visualization exercise. Close your eyes and picture a bright green light surrounding your heart. As you breathe deeply, imagine this light expanding with each inhale, filling your surroundings and body. Visualize it radiating prosperity and growth, as if every breath feeds your journey to abundance. 2. Yellow, the color of wisdom, happiness, and clarity. Buddhist symbolism. Yellow is a color of enlightenment and clarity in Buddhism. Traditionally, monks wear robes of saffron or yellow as symbols of humility and detachment from materialism. Yellow represents Buddha Ratna Sambhava, the Buddha of generosity, and symbolizes wealth, happiness, and wisdom, aligning with intellectual and spiritual insight. Manifestation focus with yellow. Yellow helps with clarity of thought, mental focus, and spiritual insight. When aiming to enhance wisdom or pursue goals that require intellect and happiness, integrating yellow can help you see things more clearly. It's also excellent for balancing emotions and maintaining an optimistic outlook, which is key in the manifestation process. Practical applications. study or work environment, add yellow to spaces where you work or study, as it can boost concentration and bring joy to your tasks. It's especially effective when working on projects that require creativity or solving complex problems. Daily affirmations with yellow objects. Keep a small yellow item like a stone or notebook where you work. Touch or hold this item while repeating positive affirmations related to clarity and understanding, letting the energy of yellow infuse your mindset. Meditative visualization. Imagine yourself bathed in a soft yellow glow. Feel this energy filling your mind and body, enhancing your clarity and wisdom. Visualize the yellow light illuminating the path to your goals, clearing away confusion, and bringing a sense of joyful anticipation for what lies ahead. 3. Red, the color of vitality, passion, and courage. Buddhist symbolism. Red represents power, fire, and life force, connecting deeply with the human experience. It symbolizes Buddha Amitabha, the Buddha of compassion, whose red aura signifies love, passion, and vitality. In Buddhist philosophy, red is transformative, representing the fire that purifies and renews. Manifestation focus with red. Red is the color to use when you need courage, energy, or a boost in your confidence. Red fuels manifestation by helping you take action, pushing through doubts, and igniting the determination to pursue your dreams. If your goals involve bold steps such as starting a new job, moving to a new place, or taking on a leadership role, red can give you the necessary support. Practical applications. Bold wardrobe choices. Wear red on days when you need a confidence boost or are taking on a challenging task. Red reminds you of your strength and encourages assertiveness. Physical activity with red energy. If you exercise or meditate, visualize a red glow surrounding you. This energy can help increase physical vitality, bringing life force energy into every cell. Visualization for courage. Envision a powerful red flame in the center of your chest. With each inhale, imagine this flame growing, filling you with confidence and strength. Let this red energy spread through your body, burning away self-doubt and igniting your resolve. 4. Blue, the color of peace, calm, and spiritual depth. Buddhist symbolism. Blue is a sacred color in Buddhism, symbolizing tranquility, faith, and the infinite sky. It is associated with Buddha Akshabhya, the Buddha of the East, who represents immovable calm and serenity. Blue, as a color of the sky and water, signifies the vastness of the universe and the peaceful qualities of the mind. Manifestation focus with blue. Blue is ideal for attracting peaceful, balanced relationships, fostering calmness, and connecting to deeper spiritual states. If your goals include strengthening relationships, improving communication, or calming emotional turbulence, blue can be a grounding force. Blue is also helpful in meditation, as it deepens introspection and eases stress. Practical applications. Create a calm space with blue decor. Add blue elements, like cushions or paintings, to meditation or relaxation spaces. Blue's calming effect supports mindfulness practices, encouraging peaceful energy. Soothing blue visualization. Visualize yourself surrounded by a tranquil blue ocean. Feel the coolness of the color washing over you, calming your mind and spirit. Imagine this blue energy dissolving any tension, helping you approach challenges with a peaceful mind. 5. White, the color of purity, harmony, and new beginnings. Buddhist symbolism. White is associated with purity, truth, and spiritual awakening. It symbolizes Buddha Vairocana, who embodies wisdom and the clarity of consciousness. In Buddhism, white is considered a color of protection and new beginnings, guiding practitioners toward clarity and inner peace. Manifestation focus with white. White is perfect for those seeking fresh starts, protection, or alignment with higher truths. This color helps purify energy and clears the mind, making it easier to make decisions that are aligned with your spiritual goals. It's also beneficial for healing emotional wounds or moving on from past struggles. Practical applications. Purify your space with white elements. Add white candles, flowers, or stones to your environment to invite peace and spiritual clarity. White objects can cleanse negative energy, helping you feel refreshed and focused. Daily renewal visualization. Close your eyes and imagine a bright white light surrounding you. Visualize this light flowing into your mind, clearing away negative thoughts and filling you with peace and purity. Imagine this white energy sealing you in a protective bubble, preparing you for a day of positivity and resilience. 6. Purple, the color of spirituality and inner peace. Buddhist symbolism. In Buddhism, purple is seen as a color of spiritual understanding and represents the connection between the mind and spirit. It is often used in temples and places of worship, representing the mystical and the divine. Manifestation focus with purple. Purple supports spiritual growth, deepening meditation practices, and strengthening one's intuition. It's excellent for those who seek enlightenment or want to connect with higher realms. Purple is ideal for manifestation when you want to understand your purpose or align your desires with the spiritual path. Practical applications. Spiritual spaces with purple accents. Decorate meditation or prayer areas with purple items. It creates a peaceful, mystical atmosphere that enhances spiritual practice. Intuition enhancing visualization. Close your eyes and picture a deep purple light filling your mind. Imagine it connecting you with your highest self, clarifying your purpose and guiding your thoughts toward your most meaningful desires. By consciously surrounding yourself with these colors, you open channels for spiritual and personal growth. Each color carries a vibration that, when used with intention, can amplify your manifestations. Remember that these practices are not about changing who you are, but enhancing your energy to align with your goals. Embrace each color as part of your journey, recognizing that every hue can play a part in manifesting the life you envision. We'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which color resonates with you most, or share how you plan to incorporate these colors to manifest your intentions. We believe your insights can inspire others on their journey as well. Remember, your thoughts are powerful tools for manifestation, and we're here to support your journey every step of the way. If you found this teaching insightful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Buddhism on Life. Share this video with friends and family who may benefit from this knowledge, and remember to return for more Buddhist wisdom to enrich your life. Thank you for watching, and may these colors bring you closer to everything you're manifesting. See you in our next video.